Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we will see how to get good quality medical college even if you have low NEET score. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Install MBBSCouncil Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and rank medical colleges for your NEET rank. Medical Counselling Committee conducts 3 rounds of counselling for deemed university medical colleges. The general expectation is that NEET score cutoff decreases for every subsequent round, which means NEET score cutoff of round 2 will be less than that of round 1 and NEET score cutoff of mopup round will be less than that of round 2 counselling. But this is not true for most of the deemed university medical colleges, especially for good quality medical colleges. Let's see what happened during last year MCC counselling for MGM Medical College, Navi, Mumbai. This is one of the high ranking medical colleges where more than 1,000 patients visit every day. It contains more than 1,000 inpatient beds and conducts more than 20 PG courses. During first round, the closing All India rank was 2,39,018. The corresponding NEET score was 357. It increased to 380 during second round counselling. The cutoff shooted up to 474 during mopup round counselling. Do you know student with All India rank 2,39,927 got allotment during round 1, but unfortunately he decided not to join the college during the first round. He did not get seat in further rounds of counselling conducted by MCC as well as in the stray round counselling conducted by respective medical college. For his low NEET score 356, he would have got management quota seat either in Uttar Pradesh or Bihar, which records the lowest NEET score cutoff every year. If you are looking for expert guidance during this year counselling to get best medical college for your NEET rank, contact paid admission helpline 044 4631 3330. We provide you counselling tricks, help you analyze quality of medical college and much more. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Subscribe to this channel now to get counselling updates. See you in the next video.